Hello Internet, on this occasion I'm going to try to rake open the Zaker S40 with its probably plastic core. I've decided to go back and do some raking practice because I felt I had been neglecting it. Well, this pretty much popped open. Let's see if the second one is just as easy. I normally try to have the locks I'm filming in shot for the entire video, just to for, I guess, good etiquette or something. But in this case, because both these appear to be extremely vulnerable to raking in a way I had not expected, I wasn't expecting to feature both of them. So, that is some successful raking. So, subscribe if you want, and most importantly, have a nice day.